are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making a crab, cooking on rice. It's supposed to be sticky rice, but I take the liberty of making it half black sticky rice and half Japanese rice. It's not supposed to have a sauce, but Colvin's here.
It always tastes better with the sauce.
It's your choice whether you can put it in or not. Gonna mint some ginger. When you cut it thinner, the mint will be smaller. Cause and effect. But it's not hard, it just needs a little patience. Hold up your finger.
Can you just throw that in the food processor?
By the time I take out the food processor and do all that, I'm finished.
And clean it.
Yeah, and then you have to clean it. See, I'm making more than we need, but Colvin's here. Oh, I just heard of a new mac and cheese recipe.
Oh, really?
Another yoga teacher. She said that the best mac and cheese she had was Gouda cheese with jalapeno pepper.
Oh, isn't it spicy?
The heat you can adjust. I'm going to put some red vinegar to it. I put some sesame oil, but don't put it in. If you start putting oils in anything, we'll stop the process. Put it on the side and do it later. Put some sesame oil. That's it.
Sauce is done?
Mm-hmm. Mint some ginger and put it in the rice. I'm going to put some pickle turnip. I soak it. It looked like this. Wash off some of the salt. Colvin said, no. I like salty. This is the leaf part. Try to squeeze the water out. Thyme real estate. I'm going to put it here. This is the middle part.
That's the turnip?
Yeah, that's turnip. I'll give you a piece. I'm dicing it.
Okay.
Let me try it. Because it's good to taste it, because then you know how salty Chinese ham. You cannot eat this.
Why not?
It's not cooked.
Oh.
It's okay to have some fat. This is like the pancetta kind of idea.
Yeah, it's like that.
This is the lotus leaf. They're completely dry. I guess in the old day they might use it when they're fresh. I soak it for like, I don't know, 20 minutes in warm water. I'm going to put it in this thing. It might be too big, but I can trim it.
Yeah. Are you saving the trimmings?
You cannot eat it. It's not like pickle. You can eat. But I'll give it to you. Okay, I'm going to put it in the middle. I don't want to cut this because I don't want to have a hole. But I can push it down. I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to show you how to prep the crab. I already killed it. I don't want to kill it on camera. People are going to scream.
Oh wow, it's huge. What kind of crab is that?
This is Dungeness.
Oh, Dungeness.
This is the easier way to do it. Come out.
So it's super fresh, Joyce.
Yeah. See, there's a couple of things you need to aware of. This thing in here. Just pick it. And then all this should be gone, right? On this side, press on this. You can hear it. Then you break it. This is the mouth. There's a pouch in here. You need to take it out because there's all sand and stuff like that. See this? Take a toothbrush and show you how to clean it.
Joyce, so how'd you pick this crab?
I have the guy pick it. They send it to like restaurant. This place is in Chinatown. Just old toothbrush. And then you just, because this sometimes have dirt in it, stuff in here. I'll try to pour the water on this side.
What's that blue stuff?
It's the rubber band. Look at how dirty it is.
Oh, yeah.
But if you go out to eat, do you think they will clean it like this? This guy know how to pick crab. It is to have it ended with an R.
Really?
Yeah, that's usually a better mark. See that how much cleaner? And then I'll clean the back. Cut it into half in the middle. Colvin's like, have shells. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. See, I didn't clean this part. Okay, that's it. And then I'll cut the other side. I put half black sticky rice and half Japanese rice. You don't need to cook it through and through. Okay, then I'm gonna mix this stuff in it.
It's colorful.
Well, I think when it's done, it's not going to be this colorful. Maybe need a little bit more rice. Colvin said it's better to have more of this stuff than rice. And I'm going to mix it. Start the water. All on the bottom. Because you can imagine how tasty this can get. Then you pile the crab on top of it.
It's all gonna fit.
Wow, we'll see.
Piles it up.
It'll fit, right? It's perfect. Then we can here. Try to squeeze it
Then
in.
you put that on and then the cover on top of it so it stays shut.
No, I think this is fine. Okay, maybe like 15 minutes, but that's why I cook the rice first. Okay, can you set a timer for 15 minutes? We're gonna check. It better be ready. We're hungry. See how that is cooked. See how this is cooked. And then I'm gonna take it out.
I thought you wanted a picture.
Yeah. Some rice. You're gonna want more rice. Okay, picture time.